Hello and welcome to Forbest Academy, and welcome to our AMC 1012 preparation videos for the 2021 contest. This week we are breaking down 5 AMC 12 past paper questions, looking at the concepts involved and how to solve them. Today's question: if fx is equal to ax plus b and f minus 1 of x is equal to bx plus a, with a and b real, what is the value of a plus b? So we've got a function ax plus b, and we've got the inverse of that function being bx plus a. So the first thing we're going to look at is how do we find the inverse of a function? So if I've got a function ax plus b, and I want to find the inverse of that. Now the inverse of a function is going back to thinking about functions as inputs and outputs. If I have an input number into this function, I get an output. The inverse of that function, if I put the output of my previous function in, I would get the input of my previous function. So it's just the opposite of our function. Now, if I wanted to find the inverse function of this, one of the ways we can do it is we can set y equal to our equation, and then we can rearrange this to make y the subject. To make x a subject rather. So if I rearrange it, y minus b over a equals x. And we can then write our inverse function would be this function we've just created over here. So instead of y, we'd use x again. So we'd have x over a minus b over a. Now, if we compare this inverse function we've just worked out to the one we've been told that our inverse function is bx plus a. These two functions must be the same, therefore 1 over a must equal b, and negative b over a must equal a. So we're going to have a go at trying to solve these simultaneous equations. So if we take our second equation here, negative b over a is equal to a, and we multiply both sides by a, we're going to get negative b is equal to a squared, b is equal to negative a squared. Now, if I substitute that into my equation here, 1 over a equals b, we're going to get the equation 1 over a is equal to negative a squared. If we rearrange that, we'll get negative 1 is equal to a cubed. Therefore, a must equal negative 1. If a is equal to negative 1, and we know that b is equal to 1 over a, b must be equal to 1 over negative 1. So b is equal to negative 1 as well. So we've got a is equal to negative 1 and b is equal to negative 1. So a plus b, negative 1 plus negative 1 gives us negative 2. Thank you very much for watching this video today. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to tune in for the rest of the week where we'll be breaking down more AMC 12 questions. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow.